Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know that I am going to be documenting my journey to wholesale. So I went to a boba tea place today because my 7-year-old has been obsessing over boba tea since they offered it to her at Thanksgiving at school. So I found the place and I said, okay, well, let's go check it out. I came there. The guy who was there is the boyfriend of the owner. And he was so friendly, so cool, because I had never actually had boba tea before. But like I said, my daughter was obsessed with it. So he's very helpful in like recommending boba tea for us and giving her the purple boba tea that she wanted, which I found out is called Taro. So anyways, I saw that he had some candles on display and he was like, oh yeah, that's our candle lady. She'll be here tomorrow because we're celebrating our 1-year anniversary. And I was like, okay, cool. Cause like I make soap. Does she make soap? And so he's like, no, that would be great. He mentioned that they've done a few events where they invited vendors out and they don't charge the vendors to come simply because they want those vendors to attract their people and attract customers so they can get them into obviously their boba tea business, which I think is a great marketing idea. So he told me to reach out to Instagram to speak to the owner, which is his girlfriend, to ask her when the next event is, because he said he doesn't plan events. He's just kind of there selling the boba tea when she's not available to sell it. So I said, cool. I sent her a message on Instagram. I'm going to insert that message, I guess, here since I have all that room. I'm going to insert that message here, but let me just read to you what I said in case it's not very clear on the insert. So I looked them up. And I wrote, hello, I just discovered your amazing boba tea today. My daughter has been in search of the purple Terra boba tea for weeks, so we stopped by. I spoke with the gentleman there and he mentioned the fact that you have done a few vending events in the past and was hoping to do more with vendors. I would love to participate. I live in the area and I make handmade artisan soap. I would love to stop by and offer you a sample soap bar. I was also thinking it would be nice to make boba tea inspired soap bars to sell at your vending events. Please let me know if you would like to meet. I plan to attend your first anniversary tomorrow. Congratulations on that accomplishment, and I look forward to hearing from you. So, real simple. That's all I said. Hopefully, she wants to meet up and chat. And I've seen a lot of like boba tea inspired soap bars, so this would be really cool. I've never done one. That's probably just because I have no interest in boba tea, but I tried it today, which like I said was for the first time, and it actually tastes really good. I just had the taro one, so I didn't like go crazy and get different types. I just stuck with like the basic. He said that was just like the basic one for people who've never had boba tea who wants to try it. That one was a good one. So I liked it, and now I'm like, I should do a boba tea inspired soap bar. So I will be doing that sometime soon. Don't quote me on when, but sometime soon. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update because I did go on like Chat GPT and get the steps to creating a or getting your first wholesale client. So I did screen that search that I did. So I'll try to insert that somewhere in here too. I just wanted to let you guys know that I am seriously trying to get my first wholesale client. So step one is into play. Also, my husband spoke with like this Jamaican restaurant who has like a little nice stand area where he just envisioned my soap bars would go. So I actually have a meeting with that owner tomorrow. So hopefully I'll be able to meet the boba tea owner tomorrow since I'll be going to their anniversary. They're having like an anniversary special where they're giving like discounts all day and it's supposed to be jamming music. I don't know. I'm going to go though. And I'm also going to be meeting with the Jamaican restaurant too when the owner is there. So I'll give you guys updates when I get them. Thanks.